Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I am from Altoona, Pennsylvania, and I am currently working at the Department of Veterans Affairs here in Altoona as a care coordination consultant. Now, what that is if a veteran cannot get the care at the hospital or at a doctor's, we will send him out to a doctor's office locally to his area, and the VA will pick up the bill. I've been doing this I'm coming up to my year point now. Before that, I was a drug and alcohol counselor, and that's where I got the idea where I wanted to be a social worker with the VA is what I did. And I would have to say my favorite class so far would be the interpersonal processes. I thought it was a really great class, developed a lot of hands-on knowledge, and it issued a lot of good material that kind of sticks with me. I went to my old halfway house not that long ago that I worked at, and to see if I could continue to practice that, I was able to, and everything's been going good. So I look forward to seeing all of you again, and y'all have a great day.